Welcome to Johan's Tips and Tricks School. Today we are going to look into how to place copy into a toolbox in a hopefully more efficient way. I'm going to need to do a few things in the beginning. First of all, I like to use a stored filter because right now I don't want to see the images. So I use the one that is called Hide Images, because then I'm only going to see the products and the text that I'm going to place. The other thing I want to do is to get a window called Align. So under Object and Layout, we have a window that is called Align that we are going to use very, very soon. I can put it here. So let's place 5 products. And as you know, I have to then here click for every placement, so I have to do this 5 times since I placed 5 products. But as you could see, the mouse is on the same place every time, so I just have to double click each and every time. So here we have them placed, and now the magic starts. I marked them all. First, I would like to fix the size of the text. So I go under Object and Text Frame Options, and as you also can see, it has a shortcut, Command B. You could also, by right-click, get to the same menu. Here I want to do 2 things. First of all, I would like to set the width for all the boxes, and 60 millimeters is approximately exactly the same as the column view, so that is a good thing. The other thing I want to do is to turn on auto size, but only for height. So height only, and I want to have it from the top and bottom. So in this way I have fixed the sizes of those boxes. Still a little work to do, and here we come to the Align window. First of all, I would like to align them either left, horizontal or center. It doesn't really matter here because the text boxes are exactly the same size, so I can choose whatever. And these actually you also always have up here, so it's the same. So let's choose it like that. Almost ready, but still you see they're a little not so good. So what I want to do is to add some spacing, and then I have this distribute spacing. So what I do is that I would say that I would like to have some spacing in between, and I would say 2 millimeters is maybe okay. Then I click on that button, and voila, I have it, and I just need to place it like that. Let's do the same for text. So in exactly the same way, I will then grab a few text, and let's grab all the headings, place them. And here I don't need to choose the placer since it's only one placer for editorial text. I have it here. And you maybe remember the shortcut for the frame options. It was Command B. 60. Height only from the top. Fix the alignment either here or here. I can choose whatever. I can choose that one, for example. And then I just need to add, and since I only had already had 2 millimeters checked here, I can then just do like that. And that one, we take next text. Let's take some intro texts here. Mark them, Command B, 60, height only from the top, align, and add space. And maybe we can take some information text also while we add it. The thing is here, the order of the text, I'm not able to I guess it's going to be exactly the same order as it is here, but that I don't, for that I'm not sure. B 60, right, only from top, a line, and some spacing, and then we're ready to go. So that's all, folks. See you around.